Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a CMS system, a content management system on your cPanel, and our focus today is going to be WordPress. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your cPanel. Without wasting much time, let's dive in. Now, as soon as you log into your cPanel, what you want to do is to go to this application we call Softaculous App Installer. So here in my case, I'll click on WordPress, since that's the application we want to install. And for this brand that I'm installing this application for, WordPress for, they need, it's an online e-commerce store system. Now in my case, what I'm going to do now is to click on install now. All right. Now I'll choose my preferred protocol, which is the HTTPS. Now on this cPanel, secure SSL has been installed, so I have access to this. And therefore, of course, the system will check to see if you have SSL. Now this is the domain name that I want to choose. I don't want any directory. All right, great. Now I want to be sure I'm installing the highest version of WordPress too. Now I scroll down to the site name. The site name is Joan Collection. Now put the site description. All right, I'll put my site description here this way, and then I'd go to the admin section. All right, add the username I want to use to log in to the back end, and also add my desired password, and I also add an admin email address as preferred. The admin email is also what I also use to log in, to the back end of WordPress. Now that I have the username, the password, and the email address inserted, I'll scroll down, and from here I wouldn't want to install plugins from here. I would do that as soon as I log in, to my cPanel, back end. So from here, I'll select the preferred language, which is English. All right, I'll scroll down to advanced. The system automatically creates a database for me, which is this. All right, now backup location, I will leave it as default according to what my hosting company has set there. Then we have the auto upgrade. I'll leave this as do not auto upgrade, all right, to avoid unnecessary errors. Now that this is done, I will scroll down. I will also be installing my theme from the back end, from the cPanel. So I'll click on install there. Right, so I'll click on install. Now this process should be completed in few minutes. Now all done. For me to log in into my front end and the back end, you can see it says congratulations, the software was installed successfully. And here you have the link to your front end of the website, and of course here you have the link to the administrative URL, which we call the back end of the site. Now this is the front end, all right, and this is the back end. All right, now WordPress is fully installed on our server, and we have access to the back end, and we can also see the front end. And that is how to install WordPress on your cPanel. See you in the next video.